Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the environment usable. Confirm GA4 property access and open a shared notes file so others can follow. Once you have editor or analyst rights, create a clear header with date, property ID, and data range. This avoids later confusion. Next, set a simple template, top-level questions, hypotheses, and key metrics to capture. Do this now, don't delay, because consistent headers let you organize findings, compare days, and onboard teammates quickly. You now collect the measurable and the context that gives them meaning. First, pull primary metrics, users, sessions, conversions, engagement rate, revenue, and paste exact numbers with date ranges. Then, document segments, filters, and any sampling warnings so results are reproducible. Also, write the qualitative context, recent releases, marketing campaigns, or outages that could skew data. Once done, link to the report or exploration and flag any anomalies for follow-up. This lets your notes serve as both snapshot and investigation launchpad. You finish by turning raw numbers into decisions. Write 3 concise takeaways that answer why metrics moved and add a hypothesis plus next actions with owners and deadlines. Attach screenshots, exploration ID, query snippets, or CSV exports so anyone can reproduce the check. If something looks off, immediately troubleshoot. Verify property settings, data streams, tag firing, and applied filters. These are common sources of missing data. If issues persist, revert to a known good date range and compare. This quickly isolates implementation versus real changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.